So question 11, you're asked that the figure represents a box. The top solid of the box is open such that the height OT it is 35. So we have here 10 already. So maybe if I can just have a point here. If here we have 10, therefore the other one remains as 25. The distance, let me just draw this part here so that we can see it clearly. So we have this part 10 here, the other 25 to make OT become 35. So determine the top angle of the lid that makes the plane FGHE. So they are asking about a figure here. If you can just extract it, this is form 4 work on 3-dimensional geometry. So this one makes here a right angle. So maybe we can extract that, and we have to see here it is 25 from a point T to maybe a point O. Let's just call point X because O is already there. Then this one is the midpoint. See the midpoint of this line HE. So if this line here it is 50, you can have that. It is 50. So we can divide it by 2 to have 25. Therefore, we'll just say that the angle that being made there, we have opposite and adjacent. So that is tan. So tan inverse of 25 over 25. Normal, the tan inverse of 1, it is 45 degrees. Then the length of BE. So BE is at this point here. So the projection of BE, it is ED, BD. So if I can extract the projection, we have point B, D, E. The ED, it is 10 because it's the same distance that turns across. Then now we don't have BD. But because we have this figure here, we can just find the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. Therefore, we will say 90 squared plus 50 squared. Then you find the square root. So here we'll be having the square root of 10,600. So because this is now the hypotenuse, we'll just say that 10,600 squared, remember this is the square root, plus 10 squared. Then we are going to find the square root of everything here if I use Pythagoras theorem. So this square will cancel the square root, so that we have 10,600 plus 100. So therefore gives the square root of 10,700, which gives me a decimal place of 10,103.44 centimeters according to the instruction of 2 decimal places.